The Supreme Court has dismissed responses filed on behalf of the electoral agency by 4 commissioners led by Vice Chair Juliana Cherera, delivering an early win for the chairperson Wafula Chebukati. Speaking on Tuesday during the second session of the 2022 presidential election petition pre-trial conference at the Milimani Law Court, Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu said that the court will take former Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai, who is representing the Chebukati faction, to be the lawyer representing the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission in the matter. The Juliana Cherera-led faction had fronted Senior Counsel Paul Mwite as the IEBC lawyer. But in the afternoon, the court delivered a blow to the 4 commissioners, Ms. Cherera, Ms. Irene Masit, Mr. Justus Nyangaya, and Mr. Francis Wanderi, while clarifying that they are free to retain the services of Mr. Mwite and Issa Mansour in the duration of the case. In the morning session, both lawyers had asserted that they represent IEBC in the presidential petition filed by Azimio leader Raila Odinga. The Cherera-led faction had filed a response on behalf of the IEBC that called for a nullification of the presidential election results that declared William Ruto the president-elect. This court cannot deal with the issue or any dispute as to the legal representation of the IEBC. It is not the business of the court to determine who represents the IEBC, she said. That is an internal issue that must be resolved by the IEBC internally, Deputy Chief Justice Mwilu added. However, the DCG walked back on this moments later and asked those in court to ignore what she had just said. She then issued the court decision that Professor Muigai will be recognized as the electoral agency's lawyer.